Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm not going to cook, but I'm going to do some taste test. Let's see what we have today for taste testing. This dragon fruit has been sitting on my countertop for a week now, and I could see it has getting dried up, and when I feel it's little soft and it's squishy, and I would say I think there's a hole here, so it would be growing like this on the cactus. Here's what it looked like earlier. Let's cut the yellow one lengthwise in half because my boys are waiting to taste this out. Whoa, look at this. It looks so exotic with these little seeds in it. So now we have to peel it like this. Oh, I think I will give a little cut here so it will be easy for me to peel. Oh, it just peels out so nicely here. Wow. I got it. Look. So this is not edible, but we will cut this. And I'll give this to my boys to try it out. Okay, boys, are you ready to give a taste?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, let's see.
It's actually not that bad. It's really sweet. It's kind of like a kiwi, but the seeds are they're not really crunchy, but are really hard. They're pretty nice in the fruit.
What do you think, Erin?
I think it's just a kiwi without the green color and no sour, but just a lot of sweetness, and the seeds are very crunchy. And this looks like SpongeBob's house.
Oh, oh wow, what a great connection you have.
The seeds
with
taste they don't taste really sweet or good, but you don't really taste it.
Okay, so now let me try. I feel the crunchiness of the black seeds. It is kind of sweet, and the seeds are similar to the passion fruit, I would believe. The crunchiness is similar to passion fruit. It is good though, not bad. Right? Now we are going to cut the pink one, and here is my helper, Erin. He wants to cut it with me. So let's go, Erin. I will help you out too. Let's go. We are again going to cut it lengthwise. Yes. Oh wow.
It's really easy.
I know. Oh, it's juicy at the same time. Maybe it has ripened properly. Oh wow. Oh, Erin did it. Look.
There's some
wow.
red.
Yeah, it's magenta color. Look, the outer layer looks like, yeah, it's magenta color. Again, it is a little bit whitish with the black seeds. But yeah, compared to the yellow one, I think this has the smaller seeds, right? Yeah. Okay, are you ready to peel? Maybe let me just cut it. Oh, you are peeling it. Oh, Erin is peeling it out. Oh, wow, Erin, you got it. All right. Now, do you want to cut it?
Yes.
Okay, let's cut them again. Okay, now ready? Ready to give a taste test?
Yes.
All right. Ready for the taste test now. Okay, Erin wants to feed me. Oh, wow. You can take it too. Oh, this is not that great. It's not sweet enough. I don't know.
Rose water.
It doesn't have any taste. It's bland. I would say it's completely bland. But yeah, the crunch, maybe you can eat it with honey, then it will be sweeter. But it is like, I don't feel any, I don't know. Arav, do you want to give a taste test now?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, Arav is ready to give a taste test. Let's see.
Oh, this one's very nasty. It just tastes like a cucumber. I mean, not a cucumber. Actually, it's kind of like a cucumber mixed with like a kiwi. It has no taste.
Right, here is the final review. Let's check. Arav, what do you want to say about it?
So the best looking one goes to this magenta one. It does look more appealing with the smaller seeds and the nice color. This one does have larger seeds. They both have seeds that look like an apple, but yeah, this one takes the win for the best appearance. For taste wise, this one
It's the best.
is the best.
Okay.
Because this one's really sweet. It almost tastes like a kiwi.
Erin, what do you have to say now?
I think the best appearance out of these two dragon fruits is the yellow one.
Oh, you like the yellow one? Wow.
Because I just don't like tiny seeds, and the big seeds are more crunchier. But taste-wise, I would go for the pink magenta one.
You like the taste of the pink one?
Yeah, because this one tastes like rose water, and this one just tastes nothing, like water, so it's better.
So you like the pink one?
Yes.
Oh, wow. All right. Now it's my turn to give the review. I would say color-wise, this is great. It has the magenta outer layer. It has small seeds. Looks good. But the taste-wise, I love this one, the yellow one. Though the seeds are a little bigger than the pink one, but the taste-wise is sweet and it's great. I would definitely buy the yellow one again. And I think for Erin, I have to buy this one because he loved this one. So anyways, both are great. If you're going by the nutritional benefits, then both are great for you.
If you enjoyed today's video, then please like, share, and subscribe with the bell notifications on so you don't miss another amazing upload. And if you like this taste test video that we did today, then please leave a comment down below suggesting what we do in the future for another taste test video.
Thank you. Bye.